Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday. A cold front moved in overnight and it still brings in some rainfall along the west coast in the morning. We're expecting an overcast day with up to an 80% chance of rainfall over the southern part of South Africa, and we're expecting snowfall for the Western Cape mountaintops as well as in the vicinity of Sutherland. Cooler air pushes all the way through to the central parts on Tuesday, but ahead of the cold front we're expecting sunny and warm weather over the northeastern and eastern parts. It's a very fast-moving cold front bringing in some light rain through to the southern part of KwaZulu-Natal by Tuesday evening. The SA Weather Service have issued a high fire danger warning with runaway fires possible within the shade of red. They've also issued a warning for high seas along the coast between Cape St. Francis and Durban. And then lastly, they've issued a watch for gale force winds along the coast from Cape Agulhas all the way through to Durban by Tuesday afternoon. You'll see a 40% chance of rainfall over parts of the Cape provinces, with most of that rainfall occurring in the morning along the west coast. An 80% chance of rain is expected in the south, with light rain reaching the southern part of KwaZulu-Natal later on in the day, and we're expecting snowfall for the western and eastern Cape mountaintops as well as the high ground of the Northern Cape. It'll be a warm day in the northeast, 27 for Pretoria as well as Potchefstroom, 25 for Vryburg, Mahikeng and Johannesburg, with a sizzling hot Tuesday for Bombela at 34. Warm as we head towards KwaZulu-Natal, just shy of 30 for Vryheid, 26 for Pietermaritzburg, but with that cooler air pushing in over parts of the Free State and the Eastern Cape, 15 for Bloemfontein and Bishu. We're forecasting a south-southwesterly wind for Durban and Richards Bay, with strong to gale force winds from Port Elizabeth through to East London, spreading through to Durban later on, and along the east coast we're forecasting a 2-metre southeasterly swell. Another chilly day is expected over the southern part of the country, with highs in the middle and upper teens. In Muizenberg we're forecasting a fresh southwesterly wind. You'll see more of a west-southwesterly wind from Hermanus through to Mossel Bay, with strong westerly winds for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, all in the mid-teens, with a 6-metre southwesterly swell along the south coast. A cooler day is expected for the Northern Cape, a mere 5 degrees for Sutherland, and Uppington just shy of 20. A fresh south-southeasterly wind is forecast for Alexander Bay at 19, with highs in the mid-teens, and a moderate south-southwesterly wind from Lambert's Bay through to Table Bay, with a 4-metre southwesterly swell along the west coast. A predominantly sunny day is expected across South Africa on Wednesday, with most highs in the lower and middle 20s, except in Cape Town, where we can expect another cold day with some light rain. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Tuesday.